welcome to this week's Tip Tuesday. I'm Nate. My wife and I are living full-time in the Dweller 15, and as we learn things, we want to share them with you. Some of them might be, super useful if you're living full-time in a Dweller or in any other trailer. Maybe you're just camping on the weekends, and some of these are still really helpful. So this week I want to talk about the Truma Combi. That is your furnace and your water heater. And since we're camping out here in South Carolina in the summer, we do not need the furnace, but we use the hot water heater. I shouldn't say hot water heater, just a water heater. Some people make fun of me for saying that. So the water heater is still nice to have for showers and for doing dishes. And what's cool about it is that it has a timer. If you know you wake up at 7 a.m. and you shower at 8 a.m., then you can just have it on for that window. If you know you're gonna be doing dishes and using the hot water all day, then you can have it turn on at 8 a.m. and turn off at 10 p.m. It's up to you. So what we have is we just have it on from 7 a.m. until 9 a.m. because we don't really use the hot water too much during the day, just in the morning for showering. So what you do is you go to the home screen, you scroll over to the stopwatch icon, and then it will have you choose from the furnace and the water heater. We have the furnace off, and then we turn the hot water heater on hot mode. I don't like eco too much. It seems to take a while, and it kind of seems to defeat the purpose of eco mode. It just takes a lot longer to heat up, so I just use hot mode. It gets it hot really quick. It doesn't have to be on as long. And set it to hot mode, and then I think you can just choose the end time. So we have it on until 9 o'clock in the morning. Obviously customize it to whatever you use, and make sure you do have the correct time. So if you scroll to the clock icon, then you can set your correct time, and just make sure you have propane on, and it will do its thing. It will turn on and off as you set it. So that's with this week's Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.